What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and as you see right in front of us, we got a big package in the mail today. Cannot wait to see what this is. Alright guys, so great way to start the week off this week. We have a huge package in the mail. I am 100% not sure what this is, but as you can tell, this thing is pretty massive. Now the box is kind of beat up, but hey, that's, you know, typical with shipping or whatever. And I believe this is from California. Let me just see. Yes, it is. So I really can't wait to see what's in here. This thing is pretty big, so we're gonna unbox this up right now. And I'm hoping that it's a Spinmaster truck. It might be, it might not be, or actually it could be the set, or it might be what was the other thing? Like the Hot Wheels set with the V8 drag bus or whatever, V Volkswagen drag bus or whatever it's called. So it's one of those two maybe. I really honestly do not know, but here to get the shipping label off, we gotta cut this thing up. Alright. So with that open, oh wait, hang on, we're not done yet. So yeah, I'm kind of excited because I honestly do not know what's in here. I have a feeling the only thing I know for 100% is, you know, obviously it's some sort of monster trucks. So let's see here, we got some awesome bubble wrap or little package bubbles. That's pretty cool. And then it looks like we got some insane tissue paper here, and oh, all right, so here we go. Let's see. All right, the very first truck laying on top, Bounty Hunter. It looks like this might be Mix 11. Looks that way. So we got Bounty Hunter right here, the World Finals one. Let's see if we can put this somewhere here. I'll put it right there for now. And it looks like this might be the entire set because here we go with the very next truck. Dragon. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna try to move this box a little bit out of the way here so you guys can see. But we got the Dragon Nitro Neons, and this does look like it's the entire mix of 11 here. So if you guys know, earlier I was able to get the ride truck, so I don't know if this is gonna have it here. This truck is Raisin Cane. All right, so we're moving pretty good here. So this box is pretty big, so this might have more than Mix 11, but I honestly do not know. This truck is Alien Invasion. This thing is actually really cool. I like the way this thing looks. All right, so that's 4 trucks. We still have a decent amount. The very next truck looks like it's Gravedigger. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, this is the one with the elemental wheels. So yeah, that's gonna be a nice review on that one. That's 5 trucks. And here's our truck number 6. This thing's pretty sick. The Batman one. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Alright, so here we go with the next one. Oh, stopping tissue paper and everything. Now there's 2 trucks left after this one, and this is Soldier Fortune, which this one out of the whole mix might be but still pretty cool. Now the cool thing is, well, I guess not the cool thing, I have yet to see any Mix 11 trucks in stores, even Mix 10, so that's still pretty hard to come by. And speaking of cool things, this is definitely one cool truck right here, Savager? Yeah. Alright, so that is 6, 7, 8. There's 1 truck left. It's upside down. I can't see what it is because it's tissue paper, but I'm hoping it is the BKT ride truck. Let's see what it is. I just grabbed it. I'm not even looking. And the final truck looks like, yes, it is another chase piece. This is the second chase piece I got. All right, that's pretty cool. So BKT, we got 2 of them. That's awesome, dude. This is the entire mix. All right, so let's move the box out of the way here. Make sure nothing else is in here. So yeah, was really expecting some kind of trucks. I did not expect the whole mix. This is really cool. As you guys do know, these trucks have been insanely hard to find. I don't know why, especially in New Jersey. It's been definitely a challenge. I haven't seen any of these in stores, especially this one. This one's like 50 bucks on eBay and stuff like that, which is pretty insane. But yeah, the entire Mix 11, this is really cool. So there is a total of 9 trucks, I believe. Let me just double check. It's probably, yep, 9 trucks, Mix 11. That's pretty cool, dude. I was not expecting these. Thank you so much for shipping these up to me. I can't wait to review these. And yeah, really cool. It seems like I've had a lot better luck trying to find Mix 11 than Mix 10 and Mix 9. Even though now in Walmart's Mix 9 do have the end cap, which is pretty sweet. So if you guys don't have it yet, you know, it's a little late, but they do have end caps and everything in Walmart's right now. But yeah, really cool. I cannot wait for Mix 12, but God only knows when that's going to come out. And yeah, this is pretty cool. These are a lot of good trucks here. Honestly, I don't know which one could be the worst one besides like Soldier Fortune. Honestly, yeah. So pretty cool, pretty awesome. Was not expecting the entire set. That's pretty cool. I like the two-tone paint job. And these cards are kind of bent or whatever, but hey man, you know, I'll take it. But yeah, with that being said, guys, let me know if you guys had any luck finding any of these trucks. If not, if you're in the same boat as me, let me know in the comments, because it's been a real struggle the past month and a half maybe. Actually, on Sunday, I went to the Target that usually has a lot of new stuff out, and it's one of the Targets that has all the trucks out, usually before all my other stores, and they haven't even restocked the shelves or anything in like 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah, so it's been quite the struggle. Hopefully you guys have better luck. And with that being said, guys, I will see you tomorrow with another video, probably reviewing this bad boy right here. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow in that video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys very shortly.